what you said. I doubt my reply would be interesting for you to hear, because I haven't read a single book of you. And the only film I saw, I didn't like it at all. I'd rather dance and talk with you. I'd rather dance and talk with you. I'd rather dance and talk with you. The music's too loud and the noise from the crowd increases the chance of misinterpretation. So let your hips do the talking. I'll make you laugh by acting like the guy who sings, and you'll make me smile by really getting into the swing. Getting into the swing, getting into the swing.